In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a document in Google Docs in a simple and quick manner. We'll cover every step so that by the end, you'll feel confident in making as many copies as you need. First, open your preferred web browser and type Google Docs into the search bar. This will direct you to the main page for Google Docs, where you can access all your document needs. Once you're on the page, simply click to open Google Docs. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account credentials. This is necessary because it allows you access to your personal Google Drive where all your documents are stored. Next, navigate to the document that you wish to duplicate. Simply click on the document to open it. With the document open, take a look at the top menu. You'll want to click on File. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here select Make a Copy. This will take you to the Make a Copy window, where you'll have several options to personalize your new document. Here, you can choose to rename the new file. This is particularly useful if you're making adjustments and need to differentiate versions. Perhaps you're collaborating with colleagues or making revisions for a project, in which case a unique name can help keep things organized. You can also choose a new location in your Google Drive to save the copy. If your drive contains many different folders, saving the copy in a specific folder will make it easier to find later. Organization is key, especially when managing multiple documents. You'll see options to choose whether to copy comments, suggestions, or both. This is an excellent feature for those working in collaborative environments or using Google Docs for editing purposes. If you want to retain your team's feedback or keep suggested edits, selecting this option will ensure nothing important is left behind. Once you have configured your options, click the Make a Copy button. Your new document will then open in a new tab, ready for you to edit, share, or simply review at your convenience. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to duplicate a document in Google Docs. It's a straightforward process that empowers you to efficiently manage your digital documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Whether you're dealing with personal files or collaborating in a team setting, these skills will surely come in handy. Feel free to leave any questions or comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.